Hello everyone, welcome to the first class on web design. We have decided to make this an online sequel so that you will be able to, in your spare time, go through the video. Perhaps the class was too fast for you. This is an opportunity for you to take the video repeatedly and more slowly. If at any point in time you don't understand any part, I will recommend that you pause and you rewind to the part you would like to listen to and watch over again. The IDE we're going to use, Integrated Development Environment, we're going to use is Visual Studio Code. So you go to Google and type Visual Studio Code download. And once you click on download, you click on download Visual Studio Code to take you directly to the Microsoft page where you can download this. For Windows users, you can download this by clicking on Windows. For Linux users, those using Ubuntu and Debian, you can click on this. For those using the other versions like Red Hat and Fedora, you can use this. And for the Mac users, you can download by clicking on this. Of course, for the Windows users, it's either you have the 64-bit or you have the 32-bit, so you have to download the appropriate one. And for those of you that have participated in class or came with your flash drive, I've also made provision for the 64-bit users. I made provision for the installation file in a flash drive copied on your system. So this is the procedure. You install the Visual Studio Code. Just watch the procedure. You click next, and at this point you want to check all this button. It's very important. You click next and you click register. You click install, and after some 3 minutes or so, depending on the speed of your system, the Visual Studio Code will have finished installing. Please make sure that you follow the guide given to you strictly, because there are other softwares that bear similar names with this Visual Studio Code. You have to ensure that you type it exactly the way I've typed it. And so I'm going to click finish now so that it will launch the Visual Studio Code. Now once it loads, you are likely to have a welcome page, which is not similar to mine. I'm going to try to close everything as much as possible. So this is the page you are likely to see. You are likely to see this page, and it's from here that we're going to start typing our HTML, our CSS, and JavaScript code. So I want you to ensure that you have Visual Studio Code installed by following the guide that I gave to you. And if you have or you need any technical assistance, please make sure that you get across to me so that it will be resolved. So this is the end of the first video. We'll move to the second video where I will introduce the 3 languages that we will be using to set up our web page for you.